Newtown 911, what's the address emergency?
It's 10 Dickinson Drive in Sandy Hook, Newtown, Connecticut.
Okay, what's going on at 10 Dickinson Drive?
It sounds like there are gunshots in the hallway. I'm a teacher in the school.
Okay, where are you in the school right now?
I am in the school. I'm in the classroom.
Okay, do you have everyone in the classroom and the door
All
locked?
of my students. The door is not locked yet. I have to go.
Okay, lock the door. Tell me, keep everybody calm, keep everybody down, get everybody away from the windows, okay?
Yes, okay.
Right. Where are you in the school?
I'm in the hallway when you walk in the front entrance if you take a left.
Okay, all right, just try to lock down the school, okay?
We're trying, okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Newtown 911, what's the address emergency?
This is the state police. I got a victim from the shooter here.
Yep.
And she's been shot once in the foot.
She's been shot once in the foot?
She's in playground number...
Okay. All right.
Room number 1.
Room number 1?
Yep.
One shot in room number 1.
How close are you guys to arriving on scene?
What?
How close are you guys?
Female shot in the foot. You got a female party shot in the foot.
Yep, she's in...
by the ambulance.
Right by the playground, room number 1.
Oh, I know that. Okay. Where are you? Are you okay right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's room 1 in the school?
Facing the playground.
Where are you?
Facing the playground.
On the playground?
Facing towards the playground.
Okay. Are you safe right now?
I think so. My classroom door is not locked.
Okay. Is there anybody that can lock the classroom door without being safe?
No.
Safe to do so. Okay.
No.
All right. Just try to stay where you are. Okay. Is there any way?
Yes. There's children in this room too.
Okay. Try to apply pressure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We have people coming. Okay. All right. Is there any other teacher with you in there, or is just students?
No, there's 2 other adults in the room with me.
Okay. All right. Are they right next to you, or where are they in the room?
No, they're over on the other side of the bookshelf.
Okay. All right. Are you okay right now?
For now, hopefully.
Okay. All right. Just keep an eye on it. Try to keep pressure on it. Okay. We have people heading out there. Okay. Bye-bye.
From the house phone?
Newtown 911. What's the address emergency?
Hi. My friend just texted me. She's at the Sandy Hook Elementary School. She said there's a shooting.
Where?
Okay.
Thank you.
So she's there. I hope she's okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
We have a team 3 entering the south.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
Hey, police emergency.
Hey, it's Barosi from Newtown. How are you?
Yep, good.
Do you guys hear what's going on in our town right now?
Active shooting.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
All right.
Help coming.
All right, thanks. Thanks.
Newtown 911, what's the location of your emergency?
Sandy Hook Elementary School, 12 Dickinson Drive.
Okay, I've got that. What's going on down there?
I believe they're shooting at the front glass. Something's going on.
All right, I want you to stay on the line with me. Where are you in the school?
I'm down the corridor.
All right, I want you to take cover. Jen, get the sergeant. All right, get everybody you can going down there. All right, let me get some information from you. What makes you think that?
The front glass was all shot out there. It kept going on.
Okay.
Chris, I'm on the line with a 911 call with you.
It's still happening.
Shooting at the Sandy Hook Elementary School. All right.
All right, what about the students in the front of the building?
Dude, everything's locked up as far as I know. I'm not in the front.
All right, you're in lockdown?
Yeah, they're in lockdown.
Did you see anything out the window?
No, it's still going on. I can't get over there.
Okay, I don't want you to go over there. I want to know what's happening with the students, though, along the front corridors. This is in the front parking lot?
Yes. I'm not in the front. I'm actually down the other part, but I'm close.
Okay. Do you see anything or hear anything more?
I keep hearing shooting. I keep hearing popping.
Guys, we got a shooting at the Sandy Hook Elementary School in Newtown. That's what 911's ringing off the hook for. Ongoing active shooting.
All right, Jen, let's get one caller. I'll take my caller. You.
All
right, now who am I talking with right now?
You're talking to Rick.
Pardon me? What's your name?
Rick Storm.
Rick Storm, all right. Rick, what is your position with the school?
I'm acting head custodian today.
Okay. Newtown, what's the address of the school?
12 Dickinson Drive.
Okay.
Something's happening.
Okay. Jen, hang up. I need you to get off that phone. All right, Rick. Rick?
Yes.
All right, what do you hear now?
It's silent.
Okay.
That's Riverside Road.
All right, now when you say the school is in lockdown?
All doors are locked. Kids are in classrooms.
Okay. So at this time you're defending in place?
Excuse me?
Okay, at this time all the rooms are locked?
Yes.
Okay, did you see anything out front before this started?
No, I was out all morning.
Where are you in the...
Okay, the gym teacher told me they saw shadows going past the gym.
Just now?
Yes.
All right. Now, are they running on the outside or the inside?
I would say that was the outside. There's still shooting going on. Please.
All right, what about injuries at this time?
Excuse me?
What about injuries at this time?
I don't know of any injuries right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we got them. They're coming at me down Grand Point. Come up the driveway on the left side.
Jen, I need you to call the state police. Just...
This is it.
It's still going on.
Newtown 911, what's the location of the emergency?
Sandy Hook School. I think there's somebody shooting in here. Sandy Hook School.
Okay, what makes you think that?
Because somebody's got a gun. I saw a glimpse of somebody. They're running down the hallway.
Okay, well...
They're still running. They're still shooting. Sandy Hook School, please.
Barbara. Newtown 911, what's the location of the emergency?
Sandy Hook School. I think there's somebody shooting in here. Sandy Hook School.
Okay, what makes you think that?
Because somebody's got a gun. I saw a glimpse of somebody. They're running down the hallway.
Okay.
They're still running. They're still shooting. Sandy Hook School, please.